not so much Lexus as Infiniti. You'd expect Cadillac to be more in that Lexus realm. But the SRX today and this car give me the sense that the Cadillac engineers are definitely spending more time at the Nürburgring than driving the streets of Detroit or Tokyo. The car feels kind of busy when you're just loafing around. Wow, that was an idiot move on that guy's part. But cornering is actually really great. Let me show you what I mean. Going into an exit ramp, and the car just tracks the corner really nicely. It's very neutral. This is the kind of thing that BMW drivers get really giddy about, and this is the kind of thing that Infiniti has tried to emulate, but Infinitis end up making you feel like you're gonna go off the road backwards and you corner harder, and this car doesn't do that. Here's another corner coming. I should have two hands on the wheel. Very flat, very adjustable. The thing is, this kind of driving is lost on most street drivers. But when, transmission's in sport mode, it recognizes that I'm braking hard for a corner, it downshifts and gets ready for the corner. I've actually never had a car do that aggressively and intelligently. So, yeah, the Cadillac engineers are definitely driving these cars in a way that sports sedans should be driven. Brilliant. Not refined, not smooth, not comfortable, but the kind of car you want to drop the kids off at school in and then drive really aggressively. Definitely a sports sedan.